the new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so this unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is their Nadula colored orange ginger lace part wig, human hair 4x0.75 T-part body wave wig with baby hair. And I'm gonna look on here and see if I can find any other details. Okay, so it says the product name, which is the same as I just said. The lengths that they have on here is 14 to 18, but I have 24 inches, and I'm pretty sure it does come in longer lengths. I'll check that out in a minute. It only comes in the average cap size. It is a T-part lace wig, and by T-part, that means like you have the laces going all the way across, but this is all of your parting space here. Now you can shift the wig elsewhere if you want to. If you want to wear a side part, you don't have to wear a middle part like I am wearing. You can definitely shift it, but as far as you parting it elsewhere, you cannot. So keep that in mind. Okay, so the density is 150%. It's 100% human hair, and it is a body wave texture as I stated. Okay, so with this wig, it did come as a body wave, and these waves were like pretty sick. So literally I only added curls to the top part, and the rest I just kind of just left it in its natural state. So down here where it's just more so wavy instead of curly, I just left old girl as is and just kind of ran my fingers through it. I didn't want to run a brush or anything because I wanted to preserve the curls or the waves as much as possible. But yeah, these waves were pretty sick, honey. Okay, at first I was like, well, maybe it's a loose wave instead of a body wave, because to me a loose wave, you know, obviously they are a little deeper, but nope, it's definitely a body wave. So shout out to them for that. As far as the hairline goes, with this wig, in my opinion, as far as T-part units go, I felt like the hairline was really decent, because, you know, with most T-parts, they don't give you enough room to tweeze even if you want it to, because it goes straight to the weft. But it did have a little bit of space, so I was able to kind of push the hairline back to have the hair sort of out of my face. And I feel like the hairline looks really good. Now, the lace is a little dark. You guys know, with the brown lace, sometimes it's a little too dark for me, even though I'm brown. This particular lace is just a little too dark for me. So I definitely prefer a transparent or a clear lace. But I feel like for the majority of African-American women and women of color in general, the brown lace is good. It's just a little too dark for me. So you can see the lace like right there. You may not be able to see it as good in my house, but you know, once I'm outside and I step into the light, usually you can really see it. Sometimes it's a big issue for me, sometimes it's not. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day, girl, okay? But for the most part, as far as pictures and all of that stuff goes, it's not an issue for me, but I do like to throw it out there in case you are my complexion or lighter. The lace will probably be too dark for you. Just like to let you guys know that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I honestly have not experienced no shedding or tangling, surprising. You know, with this color, I expected it to shed a little bit, but so far it has not. So shout out to you, Nadula, for that. But I do want to mention, when it comes to colors like this, in case you don't know, if you do apply water, they do typically bleed. Even when I used to dye my own hair weird colors, you know, reds and stuff like that, it would always bleed once I washed it. So I want you guys to be mindful of that, in case, you know, you're expecting it to just stay as is. Usually it will not. Now, I haven't applied water to this one yet, but just know that, honey, you definitely don't want to have on this color shirt and get caught out in the rain, okay? Just want to throw that out there. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, I feel like this unit is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, and I did have to adjust the straps. So whenever I have to adjust the straps, you guys know that I do deem a unit to be big head friendly. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue watching. Alright, y'all, believe it or not, I like this unit. Like, I kind of, when I took it out, I was like, Lord, are they just gonna send me every Halloween color there is? Because honestly, on the picture, it looks a little darker, but once I scrolled down and, you know, looked at other pictures other than the initial one, I could see that, yeah, it's this color, okay? But, so when I took it out, I was kind of like, you know, but y'all, I really like it. Once I put it on and started just kind of playing with it and adding the curls and all of that, I really do like this unit. Like, this would have been great Chucky hair if I was gonna be Chucky for Halloween, y'all. Like, I am definitely feeling it. I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. So yeah, I don't even think Juicy would be too mad at this wig, y'all. What you think? What you think? He may not. I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I feel like it's a really cute wig. It's not super bright. It is orange, but it's more so of a ginger orange. It's more so of a safe orange, if there is a such thing. You know what I mean? It is definitely not ginger, because ginger is a lot darker, but it is definitely, in my opinion, a ginger orange. It's not super, super, super bright. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's a look. I think it is a vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and then we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And I want you guys to keep in mind, I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the world, nor the shortest. I'm right there smack in the middle, okay? So I want to throw that out there so you guys will know where it would come to you. I also wanted to point out this little part right here. To me, this is a con. On this side, it doesn't show as much as on this side, it doesn't show as much as on this side, but I want to throw it out there. And it is a lace. I had said it was a 13, that was ear-to-ear lace. It is not ear-to-ear lace. It is a 4x4 closure. So it literally goes from here to here. So I just kind of want to throw it out there so you guys know that, you know, you're going to have to really be careful here and, you know, cover that up. That is like literally my only con with this unit. And I think it's something that I do when I'm cutting the closures. I think I just do something not right because I always kind of have that issue. So yeah, I want to let you guys know that in case that is an issue for you as well. Just so you will know the con and you can't come for me later on saying, girl, you didn't tell me, because I did. I did tell you. I told you. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you, NADULAHAIR, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. Not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.